Haylani, your down-to-earth, your humble and bubbly personality endears you to all Samoans, whether in Samoa, Australia, New Zealand, America. Your faith ensures that you are a role model to our children, to our peers and our contemporaries. Your platform as Miss Samoa Global allows you and allows the Lord to speak through you as an ambassador of his gospel. They say, for lasting beauty comes from a gentle and peaceful spirit, which is precious in God's sight. I agree. I always see you around when we play netball, even though I know you're a basketball player. That peaceful spirit. Haylani, it was a joy to see that confidence, that poise, that joy, that patience, that kindness, your persistence and your loyalty to Samoa. Wow. That's beauty which reaches far beyond the physical realm, but just shows it comes and shines from within. Be well, be safe, be blessed. Amen. 5